Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency and want to dive into investing safely, you're in the right place. Crypto investing can be incredibly rewarding, but it's crucial to start off on the right foot to avoid common pitfalls. In today's video, we'll share 5 essential tips for starting crypto investing safely, especially designed for beginners. Tip 1. Do your research. The first and most important tip for safe crypto investing is to do your research. Never invest in something you don't fully understand. Cryptocurrency can be volatile and complex, so take the time to learn about different cryptocurrencies, their use cases, and their long-term potential. Stick to trusted and well-known coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others that have established track records. There are plenty of online resources and communities to help guide you, but make sure to stay away from hype or unverified advice. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing safely in crypto. Tip 2. Start small and only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate wildly. As a beginner, it's essential to start with a small amount and only invest what you can afford to lose. This approach reduces the risk of major losses and gives you time to learn without jeopardizing your financial stability. Remember, crypto should be treated as a long-term investment. Don't be tempted by short-term market fluctuations or get caught up in panic selling. Tip 3. Use a trusted exchange and secure your assets. When you're ready to start buying crypto, make sure to choose a trusted and secure exchange. Not all platforms are created equal, so do your research on factors like user experience, fees, security features, and customer support. Once your crypto is purchased, consider transferring it to a secure wallet, either a hardware wallet or a reputable software wallet. Leaving your funds on an exchange can be risky, as exchanges can get hacked or shut down unexpectedly. Always prioritize the security of your assets. Tip 4. Diversify your portfolio. It's always wise to diversify your investments to spread the risk. Instead of putting all your money into one cryptocurrency, consider splitting your investment across different assets. Diversification can help protect you from market downturns and increase your chances of growth over time. That being said, do not over-diversify. Stick to a manageable number of assets that you can keep track of and research thoroughly. Tip 5. Stay updated and be patient. Cryptocurrency markets can change rapidly. To stay ahead, make it a habit to follow market news, updates, and trends from trusted sources. Join crypto communities, follow influencers in the space, and stay informed about any major shifts in the market or regulations that may affect your investments. Lastly, remember that crypto investing is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged by short-term price movements. Be patient and stick to your strategy. So there you have it, 5 essential tips for starting crypto investing safely. Follow these tips to minimize risk and set yourself up for success in the crypto world. If you're ready to get started, check out the link in the description to open an account with a reliable Forex exchange platform. It's the best way to begin your crypto journey securely. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable crypto and investing content. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Right finger open an account with a trusted Forex exchange today, link in the description. Pushpin like, share, and subscribe for more tips on safe investing. Speech balloon got questions? Drop them in the comments below.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.